Yummy baking recipes you never knew existed. Ever feel like your baking is in a rut? Get ready to explode with flavor because I'm about to drop some seriously mind-blowing recipes you've never seen before. Prepare for baking brilliance. Forget boring vanilla. We're talking lavender-infused shortbread that melts in your mouth. Or maybe a spicy chili chocolate cake that will set your taste buds on fire. These aren't your grandma's recipes. We're adding unexpected twists that will make everyone say, wow. What is that? Get ready to become a baking legend. First, infuse your butter with dried lavender. Then, cream it with sugar until light and fluffy. Add flour and a pinch of salt, and bake until golden. The floral aroma and delicate flavor will transport you to a field of lavender in Provence. It's simple, elegant, and utterly addictive. Mix dark chocolate with chili powder for a kick. Add it to your favorite chocolate cake recipe. The heat balances the sweetness perfectly. This cake is rich, decadent, and has a surprising warmth that will leave you wanting more. It's the perfect dessert for adventurous palates. Ready to blow your friends and family away with these incredible recipes? Subscribe now for more baking secrets and delicious surprises. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your fellow baking enthusiasts. Let's get baking.